Okay, no-bake cheesecake is one of my favorite things in the world, and this Cherry Delight is up there on the list. It's like a no-bake cheesecake. It's got a graham cracker crust. It's made in a square pan, and it's got cherry pie filling on top that's homemade. It's such an easy, delicious recipe for the summer, especially when you don't want to turn on your oven.
We're starting with a graham cracker crust. So 1.5 cups of graham cracker crumbs, 7 tablespoons of melted butter, and 1/4 cup of packed brown sugar. Stir that together with a fork, and then you're going to just add that into a 9 by 9 inch pan, a square pan, press it to compact, chill it until the filling is ready. Then we're gonna make our cream cheese no-bake cheesecake. Just 1 block of cream cheese, mix that until it's nice and smooth. And then we are going to add in 1/4 cup of powdered sugar and mix that all together. Once that's all mixed together, you'll also add in a teaspoon of vanilla extract. Mix that all together until it's nice and smooth. Then I'm going to add a container of whipped topping or Cool Whip. I just love how easy Cool Whip is. It's definitely going to be a no-fail, no-bake cheesecake. You could substitute 2 cups of freshly whipped heavy whipping cream if you prefer. Once that's done, you're going to add that to your crust. Just level it out, and that's when you're going to add in the cherry pie filling. I'm using my homemade recipe, but you can definitely use a can of cherry pie filling for this. No one will judge you. You could also use any kind of pie filling would work for this. Blueberry or apple, so delicious.
Now, if you want to use homemade cherry pie filling, be sure to check out my video. I will link it up here. And that's how you make Cherry Delight. It's a delightful dessert, like it's called, and you're gonna love this, especially if you love no-bake cheesecake and cherry together. If you don't follow me already, be sure to subscribe to my channel, leave me a comment and let me know what other no-bake desserts you wanna see, and keep watching for even more sweets.